Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is about adverbs. Let's get started. This time we talk about different usage of adverbs and something that is minor that you have to care about. And also what situation we could use adverb in a sentence and the positions of the sentence. Let's take a look what areas we are going to cover. Adverb. Using for giving information like time, place, how, to what degree, or the way you did something. And the area we cover will be at the level of single word, will be at the level of phrases, as well as level of clauses. So, what is the function of an adverb? For using adverb in a sentence, you will notice that they provide extra information to modify a color red, a verb, a color yellow, an adjective, or even another color green, adverb. Let's take a look what actually they could function like. We use adjectives to describe color blue, nouns or pronoun, and we use adverbs to describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. He ran slowly, telling you more about ran. He was very slow. The word very is telling you more about slow. He ran incredibly slowly. Telling you how slowly is that? Incredibly. This color green is telling you about this color green. As color green adverbs, you will notice that it could function in different ways, telling the reader more information. And there are different kinds of level of using an adverb. There are mainly three different kinds. One is adverbs as a single verb, and the other is phrases and clauses. Let's take a look. When you're using adverb as a single verb, it could provide information of manner, how something happens, adverbs of time, when something has happened, adverbs of frequency, how often something happens, adverbs of place and direction, where something happens, and adverbs of degree, modify adjectives and other adverbs, and sentence adverb, modify the whole sentence. And also there are comparative and superlative of adverbs. Other than color green in the form of single word, color green could also in the form of phrases. Let's take a look. There are many different types of adverbs in the level of phrases. In English, we have prepositional phrases, to infinitive phrases, participial phrases. Prepositional phrases are phrase starting with a preposition, like school starts in the morning. In the morning is the prepositional phrase, starting with prepositions in. It could modify the verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Same as the function of a color green, because it is a color green. Prepositional phrase could also be an adjective, but just the position is different. It could function also like an adverb. What about to infinitive phrases? To infinitive phrases are the phrase starting with to infinitive. For example, to celebrate, to swim, to run, to drum. It could be a color blue. It could be a color yellow or a color green. It depends on the positions you place this to infinitive phrase. It modifies verb, adjective, or an adverb when it functions as an adverb. For example, school starts earlier. Why? Why starts earlier? Because to celebrate is anniversary. To celebrate is anniversary is modifying the verb, so is an adverb. Another one. Participial phrases are phrase starting with a present or past participle. It could be an adjective or an adverb in the sentence. If it is an adverb, it modifies the whole sentence when it functions as an adverb. For example, ensuring a smooth run of the event. School starts earlier to celebrate its anniversary. Ensuring a smooth run of the event is a participial phrase. Function as a green, function as an adverb. Other than a single word, phrases, adverb can also in the form of a sentence inside another sentence. We call it a clause. Let's take a look. Area covered, level of clauses. An adverbial clause is an adverb in the sentence form which is a part of the whole sentence. It modifies the verb, the adjective, or an adverb in the sentence when it functions as an adverb. Adverbial clause could be like that. School starts. What time? When everyone arrives. It could only be an adverb modifying a verb, an adjective, or an adverb in the sentence. Wow, such a long topic. And that's all for today. Like this video and subscribe our channel. Talk to you later. Goodbye.